show. So I grabbed my machete and I dragged my girlfriend Betty to a place no one will ever know. Betty woke up in the truck feeling low, dizzy from a vicious arrow. She pulled her pistol from her waist and locked and loaded. She didn't wait for me to read the hardest cotton soul. Staring at the buzzards and the crows. Shot 2 times in the belly by my girlfriend Betty. My death is gonna be real long and slow. And I'm breathing my last breath and feeling low, covered in the freezing rain and snow. I got what I deserve for every love I've heard. I'm gonna burn forever, yes I know. Freezing rain and snow. I got what I deserve for